Now for this passenger side engine mount, which is behind this shield right here, you can remove the wheel if you'd like to. I did. It gives me more access to fit the camera in here, but you definitely don't have to remove the wheel. There's plenty of space if you just turn it to the right to get in here. There should be a push clip here. There should be a push clip here. Mine are both missing, so I'm going to take off this top one here, and then there's one right back here, and hopefully I can move this shield out of the way enough to where we can work in this area. Pull this shield back. I'm going to put some support on the corner of the oil pan here. That's going to support the engine while I take the mount off. Just start with a little bit of pressure, then we'll adjust from there to go up or down, whatever we need. At the top of the engine mount, there are two 15mm nuts. Let's take those off. With those two off, we can now raise the engine up. And right down here, there are two 15mm nuts that have to come off. Now take this engine mount, tilt it forward like this, slide it right out. Clean out the area if needed so that the new mount can sit flush up against the subframe. Take the new mount, slide it down and in, drop the engine on it. Put the two top nuts back on and the two bottom nuts. Let's tighten them all up. Make sure these are nice and tight. Snug them up with my long ratchet, that way I can make sure that they are actually tight. All right, let's put this shield back. Of course, if you have more than just the two push clips, put all of them back. And if you took your wheel off, go ahead and put it back on.